Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about front curb appeal, and I spent almost under $300 to do that because this is the most neglected area in my house, because the patch is not that big, so most of the time I forget to water or to cut the grass because it's hard to just for this area you have to come at the front. So I decided to do a little makeover for my curb appeal because it looks ugly, honestly. So I spent almost $300 on that project, and I bought all the flowers from the Home Depot, and mostly I'm using the perennials. Only I think 2 plants are annual which I'm using, the petunia. Otherwise everything is perennial, so it will be come back every year, so save money and time. So I bought the mulch because I really want to put the mulch in between the pavers, and I got the stepping stone, you can say stepping stone or the pavers from the Lowe's. It was I think $13 a piece. So I dig already all the holes and doing the same thing both sides, so purple, yellow, and this is a really good way to add color. All the kids work with me. I'm really happy to do that because I'm waiting for last I think 5 years we want to do this project, and I'm really happy we are doing today. So you have to must try this one. And I'm using, instead of the fabric, the landscaping fabric which prevent to grow weed, I'm using the cardboard. This is the first time I'm using cardboard, but this is really organic way because it will be very much well grounded with the soil. So let's see how it's work, and I'm gonna give you a follow-up video. If you subscribe the channel and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and because I will also load my home video which we are renovating right now, so change our siding because of the hail damage, so that's why you see a little mess around. So I do a little soak this board because I need to lay plain this thing. So then I put all my pavers in the equal distance between, because I think if it's a equal distance looks better. So I choose charcoal color because I think it looks good with my siding, because it's a I think the deep blue color siding, it will pop up. And then I add a mulch bag. I always like the brown or the neutral color like the cedar color, because I think with this kind of pavers the dark color mulch will more pop up. So that's why I'm using the mulch. It's a Virgo. I bought the 3 bags, like 3 bags for $10. So I bought actually I think 7 bags altogether, and give at least 1 inch deep mulch, because then it will give you a better coverage, and no weed will be coming out of it. So do the rake and distribute it equally, and then it's really give you a really nice clean, actually manicured look, because as you see it's not that big space, so I want to do it perfectly. And later I will add pathway lights, the solar lights, which I don't do it right now, but I will do it later. First they finish the work. So this is the end result, and I'm really happy to see you guys.